this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Lightroom black screen in Develop Module Mac. So all you have to do is once you are in your Mac, you should log in into your Adobe Creative Cloud. So once you have logged in into your Creative Cloud, just sign in into example. If this is your Mac, you just have to sign in into this Creative Cloud and just sign in with Google or your email address. Just sign in with that. Now, the second method is just go to the driver. So you just have to update your driver. So let's go to the device, as you can see in here, and you could see the display adapters, and you should update the driver or your graphics card. Now, once that's done, you should go to Windows R and go to local app data and delete the Lightroom in here to delete its cache. The fourth method is just go to your control panel. Just have to go to your control panel and then install a program and make sure to find your Lightroom. And for example, if this is your Lightroom, you just have to uninstall and change and click yes. And that's it.